therefore implore corporate Ghana to dig into their corporate social responsibility budgets to support this noble venture. Your Majesty, ladies and gentlemen, as I conclude, I wish to commend Asante for the incredible show of support during the World Cup qualifiers for the last 2 weeks at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium. You provided a shining example of results that can be achieved when citizens commit their time, energy, and resources to the progress of their country. And it was the first match where we used digital tickets in the country. And the digital tickets got us the highest revenue for a sports match in the history of the country. So yesterday, Asante Kotoko played hearts. And it was the second match where digital tickets were used. And they got the highest revenue in any match between Haas and Kotoko yesterday. In fact, yesterday, the increase in revenue was 103% above the last revenue in the last match. 103%. So I can tell you, digitization can fight corruption. I also commend again the Ministry of Youth and Sports and the National Youth Authority for all the work you have put into transforming the National Youth Volunteers Program from a concept into a reality. This is a big program, and I wish you success. I hope this program provides the model for our sub-Saharan African neighbors and beyond to follow. We are doing great things in Ghana. God bless our homeland Ghana and make her straight